lefty loosey, righty tighty. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Happy New Year! I'm excited for 2020. Let's have a great year of music together. So I want to do something a little different to kick off the new year. I have a lot of younger students who just get drum sets around this time of year. So I wanted to take the first couple of weeks to talk about how to put together a drum set, what to do with all those hardware pieces, all those drums, etc. So today I have a couple pieces of hardware to demonstrate with me. This is a cymbal stand. We're going to go over just some of the basics. Every piece is a little bit different, every brand has a little bit different thing, but this is enough to get you started setting up your hardware. So look for these thumb screws, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You can loosen it up, fold it up, etc. Put it in a car, put it in a trailer, take it on tour with you. Those are your legs. You can adjust them to hold the thing up. Then you'll have a height adjustment, which will move it up and down to whatever desired height. So really simple stuff, same on cymbal stands, same on snare stands. Get out there, start putting together those hardware pieces, and I'll see you guys next week. Happy New Year!